Thank you. First of all, can we find a note taker for today? Anybody interested?
I can take notes today.
Thank you, Emily. Okay, so let's see. Do we have any new faces? Don't think so. So let's start with our outstanding project level RFCs. I'll share my screen. Okay, so starting from the bottom, we have the RFC for bill of materials work. This is mine and forests. We have a couple open comments, which we are in the middle of investigating still concerning software ID tags and package URLs. And I think there's a couple other open questions that we have issues to investigate. So right now we're just working through those. But does anybody have anything they want to discuss here? Okay. Next, we have add Microsoft Open JDK build pack to Paketo community.
We shifted that one. I think I just forgot to update the title. It's to move them just directly to the Paketo Buildpacks repo.
Oh, right.
I think this one's basically ready to merge. I was looking into merging things today, but we got to update a bunch of file names with the numbers.
Oh, right. Cool. Is that the same for this one? Dragonwell Open JDK build pack? Cool. Okay, so we have the UPX build pack RFC. Do you want to talk about this one, Dan?
I believe that one was also pretty close to being ready. I think we got sign-offs on it.
Great.
Yep.
Yeah, so you have the utility maintainers, so great. Okay, and then we have this last one, libz to the tiny runtime image.
Yeah, this one, I think we're pretty close as well. Was there any more questions about this one? I know we kind of hit one snag, but I think we were able to kind of move past that.
Yeah, I think I'm fine with what you've described as a workaround for the JVM kill agent issue. And I was just waiting to see if Brian, the other stack maintainer, had any concerns.
Okay.
But I'm all good with this.
Okay, awesome, thanks.
Okay, so that is all of the project level ones. Let me see if we have any language specific RFCs.
I don't think at this point we should have any language specific RFCs. In fact, maybe we should change the agenda to only look at the top level RFCs repo now that all of the, we've gone through and checked all of the language families have moved all of their RFCs up into the top level RFCs repo. So I think we only have to look in that one place now.
Oh, perfect. That's really convenient.
We add some labels so that people can filter them down. Is that something that people want to bike shed about, or do you care if I just make up some labels that are like team name?
I'm good with that.
Great.
Thank you. Okay, well, that is all we have on the agenda. Is there anything anybody wanted to chat about?
I think it might be worth mentioning that Brian Hoen and I had sort of a kickoff with Ryan, Tim, and a couple other people to start on the NPM script build pack, because apparently that's been requested a lot.
Yeah, this is like outside of Python recently, probably like the next most requested thing. Lots of folks are wanting to build their React apps and their Angular apps and that kind of stuff, and it should help us unlock that, as well as kind of add some more functionality to the upcoming web server language family build pack, which will be great.
Are there any documents or repos or issues anywhere that you could point us to check out?
Yeah, sure. Right now we're currently we're gonna be working on it on a separate repository just to not have to deal with all like the PRs and the XYZ, which can be found here. And then additionally, Arjun, I think Arjun had an RFC in the node family over here, if that's worth looking at too.
There's also an open issue on that on the Node.js repository, I think, that kind of outlines all the steps they're going to be following.
Yeah, just think the main issue in
Yeah.
Awesome, that's super helpful. So is it just investigation work still, or are y'all actually starting the work for this?
I think we're implementing now. Yeah, it's gonna be our first build pack. It's gonna be fun.
Exciting.
Mhm.
Awesome, thank you for bringing that up. Excited to see how that goes for y'all. Is there anything else anybody wanted to talk about?
On the Java side, we are starting a sub-team meeting. The first one is going to be on July 6th. So I will post the invite and stuff into the Java channel if anyone wants to join, but we thought we'd announce it here.
Main goal here is to try to coax more of the Spring folks and other folks who care a lot about Java into coming and giving more feedback and working on the build packs with us. But they're have a narrow set of interests that's just Java. So it's worth breaking out this meeting.
Cool.
Cool, back to our roots with a separate meeting. Cool, anything else? Okay, well, that is it for the Paketo working group meeting today. Thank you everyone for coming, and see you next week.
Thanks. Bye-bye.